So we've discovered now that friction occurs between two surfaces. It also occurs between particles in air and the surface area of an object. But does it occur in water? Well, the particles in water are actually closer together than in the air, and so we call this water resistance. And again, it acts on the surface area or the shape of the object. And we can investigate this quite simply using modelling clay, a clear tall container of water, and we can observe how the different shaped objects travel through the water. These have all been measured. They started with the same size piece of modelling clay. All that's happened is they've been structured into different shapes. And we can make predictions. We've got a cube shape, a kind of a mushroom odd shape, and we've got a circle. So we can observe how they travel through the water. We don't want to put any other forces onto these objects, so we will just place them gently on the surface of the water and observe how they travel. So your prediction for a cube, let's see how that travels through the water. And then we've got the mushroom shape. How does this one travel through the water? Let's see if we can get it so that it's horizontal. Are you ready? That one's quite quick too. And then we'll see how the circle travels. Just holding it on the surface, let go, and I'm sure you can see which one went the quickest, which travelled the slowest, but you could measure it with the stopwatch. But again, you can see it visibly. But if you wanted to, you could collect measurable data and use a stopwatch.